Lord, give me power and strength to march on the real path of life. And I may have ever faith, undeviated faith in you, my Lord, until you protect me. I am simply an ordinary man, a simple man, having a lot of evils, born with my birth. My Lord, I can't protect myself unless you help me. My Lord, I have faith in you, but my prayer is now centered only on the fact that you may protect me from the evils of life and will lead me unto the truth of life. Let me have an enlightenment of light so that I may see God, I may meet God, I may have the actual experience of life and its pleasures, its happiness. Happiness is internal, not external. It is internal, that comes from the intuition after you have a divine experience of God. Until you have any pious heart and soul, it can't experience divine power. Divine power is not an ordinary power. It is divinity. Shakespeare has told, it is divinity that sets our ends according to our deeds and activities that we do in the world. So in your daily life, whenever you get up in the morning, first you remember the Lord and pray to Him for a bright day that you are going to start after waking up in the morning. First you pray to the Lord, remember Him, and remember His 12 words. Om Hanumanjani Sunurbai Putro Mahabala. रामेष्ट फाल्गुन सख सिंगाक्षौमिति विक्रमो उदध क्रमणस्यैव सीता शोक विनाशन लक्ष्मण प्राणदाता च दश विवस्य दर्शता. So nice, so nice. My Lord, you remember these 12 words in the morning. When you get up, your day will be very fine by grace of Lord. Everything will go right. You have nothing to bother about it. Everything will find bright, happy, cheerful. So my boy, it is my suggestion for you. You start a new life in this new year, having absolute faith in Him. He will help you. And whatever your wish and desire, whatever your thought about your life will be fulfilled by His grace. So, man proposes, God proposes. Have faith in Him. Whatever you propose, if there is no piety, there is no purity, and have no faith in the Almighty, it can't be fulfilled. It never can be fulfilled. So, it is my suggestion again and again to you. I have a deep affection for you, love for you. So my boy, don't forget. I have promised in my life never to harm anybody in the world. A saint who has a garment of a saintly garment who have put on and having no piety in the heart and soul and mind, they are hypocrite. They are looting the world. They are deceiving the world by their dress, being a saintly man, only in the retirement. So whatever is external in the world, whatever glitters is not gold. Remember this line of Shakespeare in certain drama. He has stated this truth. Whatever glitters is not gold. So don't be deceived by the glittering world. No. It can deceive you. Judge it very well only then accept it. If you are going to travel by train, there are so many cheaters, cheat, fraud, fraudulent persons in the train having a great retirement, brightening outwardly with their face and dress. They may be a deceiver, a cheat. Be alert and aware of such persons. Don't believe in the external things until and unless you judge the inner worth of the man. Inner worth of the man, because he may be a cheat. So be alert. Shakespeare told this maxim in the drama only to make people of the world aware of the glittering gold, not to be deceived by you. It is a fraud. My people of the world, be aware, don't believe, until you make a judgment with your inner strength,
Conscious mind.
conscious mind. Only then believe him and pass your judgment
Right.
upon him
Right.
and make a friendship with him. Otherwise, he can cheat you. So, there is divinity that saves servants. Hence, I come to the main topic, what I told you. It is only to just bring you to the real path of life. Just broadening your mind and heart and soul, so that you may march on the real path of God. God will do everything. Just have faith in Lord. This is my advice again and again. I am coming here for the last 3 months, 3 days to you. So you may take it at a divine visit at your house.
I accept it.
God comes here.
Hmm.
Jesus Dubey comes to you.
Hmm.
You just think that it is Lord Hanuman who has inspired me to come to you, to change you people. These people can't understand me. You can understand being a student, an enthusiastic student of your times. So you can understand me. These people are simple men, ordinary men. In their, they are good natured, pious, pure. Still, I suggest them in a medium that is Hindi.
Yeah.
So you can just understand the language English. Through that, I convey my best thoughts that I have in my life and I practice in my life. This is the real urging that comes out of my heart, my mind. There is no affectedness, falsehood at all. It is the real voice of my soul that I communicate to you. You should follow and act accordingly. This is my all that I wanted to tell you. Just follow the principle of divine faith and it will benefit you, it will help you. Whenever you are any calamity, any difficulty of life, remember the Lord. He will protect you, no harm will be done, provided that you have absolute faith.
Hmm.
Never forget this principle, having absolute faith in the Lord. This will always protect you wherever you are. Even if you leave your place, your native place, go abroad, anywhere in the corner of the world, wherever you may be, whenever any trouble, any difficulty, any kind of worry that attends your mind, you remember the Lord. He will help you. He is an unseen power, but he is the controller of the world. He has the remote of the whole universe. Even a leaf cannot move until he wants.
Correct.
So it is very fortunate that we are very close to Lord Hanuman. I should be, you should be thankful to him that his grace brought you close to him. So learn the divine wisdom and act accordingly. Life, to live life is an art. People are wasting their time in misdeeds of life. They don't understand what is the value and importance of life. It's not necessary that you should have and be devoted and dedicated to an extreme knowledge of God. There is no end to knowledge. Knowledge is infinite. Just have only faith in the Lord. That is enough. You have got the whole knowledge of the universe. If that faith comes in your mind and heart for the divine power and you stick to that faith, always in whatever circumstances of life you be, in whatever circumstances of life you be, you always never deviate from your faith. The Lord is present, very close to you, unseen. He is ready to protect you. No harm will come to you. No danger will ever hover over your head. Be cheerful, happy. If God is with you, all is right with you. So try to seek divine power. Be dedicated to the search of divine power. And it is a matter of faith. God is unseen. It cannot be seen. It is not a concrete thing that you can touch and take hold of
No.
Him.
No.
It is divine power, unseen power. So it comes to your knowledge only through intuition, and there is no alternative except this. So meditate within you. You will be able to see. You will realize God.